Imagine a whole year and you receive a beautiful, inspirational and instructional video lesson from one of our teachers straight into your inbox and into the classroom. While our journaling is still at the heart of our course, we are also diving deep. We're gonna have projects like canvases, assemblage, mobiles, even simple sculpture, Bolton and altered art, and a lot more. This is the kind of variety, I believe, that keeps you wanting to go back to your art desk every week, that keeps you excited, about your art routine, and really helps you build that habit of including art in your life. Wanderlust 26 is intermediate course level, but if you dabbled in collage, scrapbooking, card making, stamping, if any of these sound familiar, if you ever used any paints, you will be right at home. And you will also get access to a special place where you will get to connect with your fellow adventurers, other students, as well as ask direct questions to your teachers. You get fresh ideas, fresh projects almost every week. You get to use supplies in different ways, and you get to explore very varied styles. And all of that is thanks to our team of teachers. We've put a lot of extra time and effort into finding some fresh new faces for you. Wanderlust 26 is 48 lessons released weekly with lifetime access. Everything is downloadable. We have a payment plan available. All videos come with several different subtitles, and we have beautiful printable handouts, which I just love so much because our teachers poured so much work into them. The first 2,000 people who sign up to Wanderlust 2026 will get it at $99. The regular price is $199, so that's a huge saving. So if you are thinking Wanderlust could be for you, you want to really read through that sign up page today, right? To make sure you get that deal and don't miss out.